and it is time for another video. So this time I am in a different location again. It seems like every time I make a video, I'm in a whole different location. This time I'm back on an internship with the same company that I was on my co-op with 2 years ago. What year is this, 2019? 3 years ago. Yeah, I'm with the same company, so I'm doing a summer internship with them, and I'm in a whole different location as I stated before. But this video is gonna be kind of a bummer video because my wheels that I had on, and keyword had on, have been destroyed pretty much. 2 of them are bent to the point where they can't be fixed, and like there's a crack in it pretty much. You can see through the wheel. So I've been dealing with that crap. I filed a claim with the state of Tennessee. I was going back home actually to Memphis last week, and I was going through Jackson, Tennessee, mile marker 80, right before exit 80B. I saw the sign saying, you know, construction ahead, blah, 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 of course. So I slowed down, and then maybe another half mile, caution potholes. I said, oh. Usually I'm okay with that because like, okay, I know how to avoid them. But something about this one was just different. So I slowed down, got back, but I was sandwiched in between this Malibu and this black Nissan Altima. And I was sandwiched in with 2 other cars on the right side. So I slowed down a little bit, but they're pushing me forward. So I was like, fuck it, this is not gonna be good. So the pavement ends and it's just like that. It's like abrupt as crap. And I hit the pothole. It was nothing but the bare ground asphalt with potholes, grooves, stuff like that. And it threw the upset of my car completely off. I mean, like the armrest in the back with the cup holders that flew down, change in the middle, flew out everywhere, and it saw them stuck in the tunnel. The upset of the car was completely off. It was bad. Like I wanted to fight. I wanted to fight somebody. But I'm gonna show y'all the wheels then. So this is the first one. I don't know if you can really see it, but see how there's like, you can see the inside of the wheel right there. And then this is the front driver wheel. And actually that happened last year. Coming home from Memphis as well, going over uneven pavement that removed the asphalt from one side and left or paved the other side. So it was like at least 3 to 4 inches of difference between the 2 surfaces. And I went over it and I felt it, like I felt it. And then when I got to Nashville, I pulled over at the gas station, used the bathroom, my normal place. And I looked at it, I was like, oh, I just got some dust on the wheel. I went and rubbed it. No, it was actual gash. Yeah, so I filed the claim with that one. They denied it, of course, saying they had no idea, they weren't aware of the issue there. This time, however, they were. There was caution construction signs up, caution pothole signs up, which I got a picture of. And the funny thing is, I went over that road on a Friday evening. That Sunday evening, I went back to get pictures of it. It was completely paved over. So it's not like it was just there. They knew about it. They got it done quick. So I'm hoping that claim comes through, but if not, I'm gonna be out $700 for mount balance wheels. I'm keeping the same tires because I've only used those for 1 season, so they're pretty good. The tires are still pretty good. But yeah, dude, like this shit is ridiculous. And I had just picked the car up from getting the front brakes done that Friday. And then on top of the other stuff that I had done to the car. So it's been a hell of a summer money-wise, but I mean, you gotta make money to spend money, so it is what it is at the end of the day. There's 100 other things that I can be worried about, so whatever. This is what I was referring to. Knocked that part down, ripped the cup holders out right there, and it's kind of hard to get those cup holders out by itself. So the fact that a pothole was able to get these out right here, those out, was kind of was kind of crazy to me. And then up here, this center console thing right here, it knocked change out of there into in here somewhere, and I'm not really looking forward to getting that stuff out. I thought it was just a 2 screw. There's 2 torque screws right here, T25s, that I just tried to do, and that's not working, so probably a little bit more detailed. Oh, but yeah, so I'm getting the tires done, tires and wheels, through this company called Freedom Tires, and they actually come to your work, your house, or wherever you want them to come, and they'll mount and balance and put the wheels on right then and there for a very good price, actually, because I think I would have maybe saved $30 or $40 going to an actual shop versus spending the gas to go to a shop to do it and then have the convenience at your house or wherever you are. So I think that's pretty cool. And then I got them through, I'm a part of the Nashville Audi Club now, so they got recommended through them. So I'm trying them out. A lot has changed since the last video. Let's see what else. Oh, I installed the Audi beam lights on here. I showed it in a different video. I'm not doing that because I need more content. What else? Coilovers, those did not happen this summer. Like I said, I had to spend buku loads of money on this car this summer, and the coilovers was just not an option. Alright guys, we are back and the Audi is back in good shape. We are good for now. But yeah, here she is. God, the only benefit to having black wheels is they look really good. They look really good when clean, but when they are dirty, they are shitty. But yeah guys, that's probably gonna be a wrap for this video for today. Got that done, that's taken care of for today. The Audi is finally in a good position to where actually, you know what, I'm not even gonna say anything because something could happen tomorrow, but as of right now, she's in good shape. She is in good shape. So yeah, stay tuned. We got another video coming. I'm gonna do one on the lights, like I said. Maybe potentially grid life. And then slammed enough Gatlinburg. That one should be pretty good because we're in the cabin this year, and there's gonna be a whole bunch of us. I want to say like 8 to 10 of us with different cars that you will see in that video. Remember, if you're not living your life, then what life are you living for? Peace out, y'all.